When every day is an adventure, be ready for anything life throws at you. Literally. Mop and vacuum for a spotless finish with the RYOBI 18V ONE HP SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. Engineered for real life, SWIFTClean Technology dispenses solution while picking up wet and dry debris on a variety of hard floors. Equipped to handle the toughest of messes in a single pass, delivering a complete clean, right up to the edge every time. Experience less mess and less stress with the self-cleaning cycle. And because it's powered by ONE+ batteries, you have the ability to keep going on every adventure. The RYOBI SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum, part of the ONE+ system, exclusively at the Home Depot.